Cheers, mate.
Oh yeah. Beauty.
Number one. That's my earliest ever tornado at 3:18 p.m.
You ever seen 6 areas of rotation?
It's still on the ground. On my one, I've got 6 areas of rotation. It's doing damage up there.
You're approaching a twisting storm.
Anyone see it? Oh, it's massive! Oh, it's absolutely huge! It's massive! Look at it, 11 o'clock! Ginormous tornado!
Oh my god.
Ginormous!
Oh, this
Film it.
Beauty, I'm filming it.
Oh, what's the careful?
You've seen it. It's going to cross the road up in front of us.
Can't see it.
We will in a minute, Terry.
It's popping in and out of the rain.
Someone coming. Did you get it on there?
Yeah.
I'm videoing it anyway, I've got all the video.
Yeah, it popped. Good few seconds before it hit behind the rain.
Oh, it's massive! It's massive!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's massive! Oh, Jesus!
This is huge. Don't overtake it.
Get out!
You're approaching a twisting storm.
Yeah, I want to get this Yahoo out of the way so I can get past. And we can get some pictures.
Next bridge, we'll
Get the fucking trees out of the way.
yeah. Whoa! My god!
Oh my god! This is like an F4, I'm telling you, this is like an F4.
Oh my god!
You filming it? You filming it?
Yeah,
No,
I'm filming
no,
it.
zoom out a bit.
Here we go, this is a good spot here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh my dear god! Oh my god! Oh, that's gonna kill people. Shit!
Oh, fuck off, you twat.
That is big.
Oh my god.
You're approaching a twisting storm. Please
kidding.
Film it.
exercise caution.
I was gonna do it on mine, but I can zoom back.
Yeah.
Where's that heading to? Yeah, where's it going?
It's right, it's right. So I've got an East Road here. Got an East Road. Got an East Road. It's coming. Yeah, this is going to be a nice tornado. Look at the big,
You're
big,
approaching
thick
a
funnel
twisting
coming down.
storm. Please exercise caution.
Is it on the ground? Can you see it dust swirling?
It's gonna be a beautiful view over here on the right.
That's why they're all pulling off. They're all pulling off. Look at it come in. There it goes. Look.
yes.
Look, look, look.
Yeah, I'm going to pull in.
That's coming down. Seriously.
That's beautiful.
You got it on the video? Just video it, yeah?
Yeah, I got it, Paul.
Amazing sight.
Keep your windscreen wipers going. Keep your windscreen wipers going. Come on, you little bitch. You little batch.
A couple of minutes. There goes Reed.
Approaching a twisting storm. Please exercise caution.
I wonder who's lucky enough to drive the force themselves.
Still extended. Just take it off the bottom. It's not quite getting
Here it goes, here it goes.
There it is. There it is.
It's roping, it's roping. Tornado number 2.
Hole.
What?
Burn a hole.
Still filming that. Look, oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, yes. It's down, it's down, it's down, it's down.
It's down all the way. It is, isn't it?
Oh!
You got it, Aaron!
Woohoo! Woohoo! Tornado number 2!
Oh, I have.
Is it Dave, is that filming on? Can you just zoom it?
Oh, I've got it down on my tripod, it's fine.
Right, just get it on there 'cause it's not moving. Yeah, is that perfect picture? Yeah?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
I've got it perfect down on my tripod in front of the thing.
I've got some beautiful pictures of that one, Paul.
Brilliant.
Yeah, that's terrific. I really want to try and darken this picture.
Please tell me that's on the stream. Right, we're going to have to go, guys.
That's not letting up.
There's roping. There's roping out. We need to go further north. Yeah, we're going. Oh, you beautiful storm. You ready, guys?
You got a good one there too?
Yeah, I do.